How to customize a WordPress theme quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to customize a WordPress theme. So let's get started. First, what you guys have to do is you will open up your WordPress website. This is one of the test websites that I have on WordPress. So I have opened up the dashboard. You will also create a website on WordPress, any web hosting platform you are using, it does not matter. So once you get to the dashboard of WordPress, we know that we can select different themes on WordPress, and theme plays an important role in building our website. So first of all, let's go to the appearance section on our dashboard. So right here in the menu, you will click on appearance, and then we have themes. Here I will be able to see the current theme that I have selected. So I have selected this one right here, which is a very simple theme and it's for free. So we have some of the free themes available on WordPress, and then you can click on add new to choose from thousands of themes available. You can see we have more than 5,000 themes on WordPress. So we have all of the famous ones. For example, we have Astra right here. We have Candice. Then we have Zero. We have Hestia, Zever, OnePress, Total, News Hunt. So all of the themes are pretty impressive, very interactive themes and customizable. So the first step is that you select the theme you want to go for. Before selecting a theme, you can also get a preview, and it also depends on what kind of website you will be creating. For instance, you have a news website, then you can go with a news theme. You have a blog website, you can go with a blog theme. So it depends on your niche. We have this one right here. Let's get a preview. Once get a preview, and then you can install that, theme and use it on your website. So this is what it looks like. This is going to be the theme. We have different elements. Click on install and install the theme. So I'm going to click right here on install. And now my theme is installed and I can activate this theme. All right, so it will take me to my theme that I have selected. This is the theme that I went for. We will find a customize option right here. Click on customize. All right, so it will take you to your customize page of your website. You can see this is our theme, and we have all of the different elements that I can customize. First of all, active theme is this right here, and I can change it if I want. Then we have some of the pro modules that are not available in the free version, but we can actually customize it. We have a header, layouts, blog, styling, typography, sticky header, footer, menus, compatibility, widgets, homepage settings, WooCommerce, and additional CSS. So these are the different elements that we can customize. So the first thing is the header. Click on the header and it will show you the header. So on desktop, this is what it will look like. First of all, we have a site logo. Let's upload a logo on our website. Click on select logo. Upload the file from your computer. Let's go with this one right here. Click on select and the logo will be selected. Okay, so now we have added a logo for the website. We can of course change our logo size from here, logo maximum width, and you can see, but we're gonna make it a little smaller. And okay, this looks okay to me. Let's make it a little more smaller. Perfect. So we have a logo now, and then in the header right here we have a site title. So in the site title, what I'm gonna do is we have it here. I can change the site title, which says my sweet closet. Okay, we have a tagline which I'm gonna change. Our store. Show site title. If you do not want to show the site title, you can switch it off and it will not show the site title, but I want to show. You can see right here I'm customizing the header. Logo position, top, left, right, or bottom. So I have selected top, but you can select bottom, left, or right of your header. So this is how you will customize the logo in your header. Then we have header top, header main, header bottom, header menu, sidebar, menu icon, search icon. Where is the search icon? Here it is. Okay, we have a search icon, search box. I have not added a search box right here. We have primary menu, then there is a button right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the button now, and you can see button says button, but I'm going to change it to click here. Or we can actually, not add a button in our header if we do not want it. You can also add a link to your button. Then we have HTML1, shopping cart, and templates. So this is how you will customize your header. I think my header looks pretty good. So what I will do is I will go back to the next section. So the next section is going to be the layout. We have a global layout. So container width, this will actually, you can see right here how it's changing the width of my website, right? So I'm gonna select right here so that it's full on the page and there's no like difference here and it does not look very congested. Okay, so I'm gonna switch to page header. Again, you can change the layout for the header. Let's go back. We have blog styling. Let's get to styling now, and it will allow me to change the background color, to change the background area. We can style our background, everything. Click on site background and we can select the color. It's white. Let's say that I want to actually make my website, I want to add another color. So I can do that. Select the color you want to go for. Click on add and the website image will be, the background will be changed. Then we have our typography, which will allow me to change my site title, taglines, and the content. I will be able to change the fonts and the size of the text that I have. This is one of the posts that I already have on my website. So we have the blog option, then we have footer and menu. So let's get to footer. Footer is going to be at the bottom of your website. This is the footer right here. So you can see in footer, again, we have like footer sidebar 1, sidebar 2. So I will select the layout and then I can select and add all of the items. We can add our social icons to our footer. Then we can also add copyright, and then we have footer main, footer bottom. So this is how we customize a footer in our theme. Then we have menus. Click on menu and it will show you the menus that you have created. You can see I have all of the main pages right here, and this is my primary menu. So what happens is, to create a new menu, click on menu name and then enter it right here, and it will be shown here with a drop down of all the pages that are included in the menu. Moving on, we have widgets. Click on widgets and it will allow you to customize the primary sidebar, secondary sidebar, WooCommerce primary sidebar. We have Give WP single form. So these are some of the plugins that I have added, and they're added as widgets on my WordPress. This theme is actually pretty customizable, and you can see right here, it will allow me to add images and I will be able to customize the theme. So this is how you customize a theme. I'm not showing you how to add post to your website, how to, change the text and everything, but I'm showing you how to customize the theme, like the basic things that you will be adding to your website. And then click on this pencil icon that allows you to change that specific area, that how it should look like. So I can go with like this layout right here. I can go with this one. So let's actually go with this one right here, the first one. Okay, perfect. Then we have media. For blog post in media, again, we have media ratio, then we have text, everything. We have metas, read more, and other options. Similarly, I can select any of the, options from here. Let's say that I want to customize this, this one right here, the comment section, or this post. So you just click right here and you will be able to customize. You want to customize the search bar, click on this pencil. It will take you to the primary sidebar and you can customize how it looks. If you have the categories, if you want to add other things, archives, and recent comments. So this is how we simply customize our theme on WordPress. It's actually really easy. Just select the theme, open up your website page, and you will be able to find all of these different options available. You can customize a theme and also make your website mobile friendly, and it will allow you to create an interactive website with WordPress, and you will get more traffic. If you have downloaded a theme on WordPress, so you can also upload it from this option right here. Click on add new, then click on upload and upload a theme of your own. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.